Greetings to you all. This is Inside Gambia. Today, I am going to show you a video of a candidate personally who inspired me. And I believe that if that candidate happens to be a flag bearer, would simply carry all the youths of the country because they believe in innovation and also they believe in infrastructure development and also concern of the youths to be there, and also accountability and transparency. So I believe that when you watch this video, you're gonna have sense from it.
You can do part two. So one thing I left out was, of course, the AfriCell Park traffic light. That was an innovation that has really transformed the area. You'd see them there. It's so busy. I'm the basketball court, outdoor gym, and it's always busy. And I'm so proud every time I them over the flyover and I look down and I see you'd see Nyunko use. Next door, of course, QCell has not started yet. One day we've allocated the land to them to create a QCell Park. So AfriCell Jimby was, I think, about $10 million. So the QCell Park, I think, is a similar amount. So we don't want these lands to be given away for private owners, new builds and commercial properties. The Nyaulo area, the Gambia is, a very youthful population. Youth see, they want activities, they want places to go. So that area, definitely allocate for the building of parks. Now, also what I forgot is the Kotu Botanical Garden, which was a grant gotten from the UN. It's about $10 million as well. It's completely transformed. It's now a green space, picnic benches, amna pond, amna toilet facilities. It has an outdoor gym. It has a stage for the arts and performances. I really love that place, Definitely for solar lighting at night, solar lighting, environmentally friendly. I really, really love that place. And one thing I forgot to mention, I was speaking about Bakore Dome site. Of course, we all want that place to close down. So a couple of years ago, we started looking for partnerships for waste to energy. That couldn't succeed. We started looking for PPPs for biogas. That didn't succeed. And eventually, we got really good technicians in KMC, and we were able to write a grant project for the European Investment Bank, and that succeeded. So basically, it's a massive project. It's about 45 million euros. So huge. It has a grant element, it has a loan element. Because of the size, we had to hand it over to Ministry of Finance, government for implementation. But KMC is the one who initiated that. And the plan is to close Bakore Dome site, to recover the land, Moneka green space, and to create biodigesters. So biodigesters are machines that basically